So, if AI was a person, what job would it do best?
Because we cannot talk AI without caffeine.
Which is one thing that you would like to automate in your daily life? One tech habit you would ban forever?
If you can say, and yeah, obviously this one. Yeah.
Happy feeling. Hello, this is Charmy. It's time for some tech talk. So, have you ever wished that your service team had a crystal ball? Well, our guest today says that forget about the crystal ball, we have got something better. So it's AI that is teamed up with the Salesforce Field Service Lightning. And today, Nilesh, our guest, he's having like 8+ years of Salesforce FSL Developer experience, and from last 10 years, he is a part of a Salesforce community. So it's time for some tech talk with Charmy, where you will listen to some tech stories that matters. So hi Nilesh.
Hi, thank you. Hi, John.
How was your coffee?
Yeah, good, because
Good.
we cannot talk AI without caffeine. So,
Agree. So I hope that coffee is strong enough
yeah,
to do today's tech talk.
yeah, right.
Okay, awesome. So very first thing, I'm very curious to understand that tell some story about, like, you have 8+ years of experience working in the industry. So I'm sure you must have worked on a number of projects. So tell some story about that, how like FSL is used by the companies.
So, yeah, I got one scenario like the customer is waiting for the 2 weeks that technician to come at the firm and repair the part and repair the instrument. But at the last, the agent, the company is good and really good agents. So they reach at the location, but knowing the issue, they don't have the right part to repair that instrument. So that's where totally I can see where we need AI and the Agentforce to build and to all these functionalities properly.
Correct. So, talking about the Agentforce, as you mentioned, like we have a service agent specially designed for services, right? And
Yes,
that also covers FSL, right?
yes, correct. Yeah.
Okay, so can you tell me how service agent can help and improve, how that can bring an impact in the company?
Okay. So FSL in FSL, the scheduling policy, you can say, this is the backbone of the FSL. Okay. So where on the basis of service resources availability, the location, service territory, we can say, and the period of time to travel to that location and the skills. So on that basis, we just schedule those service appointment to the right person. Okay. And yeah, the standard functionality works great, but yeah, here is the come like where magic happens. We introduce the AI and Agentforce, and with that thing, we can automate all this process easily without wasting too much time in that to complete that work, to do that task by the service agents without any efforts more than us, you can say.
Correct. So, talking about service agents, like there are so many agents on field. Correct.
Mhm.
Now, the name itself says it's a field service lighting. So,
Correct.
is there any mobile app or anything, something that is very handy for the field service agents that can, use this platform, like Salesforce platform? Like they don't need their system. So, do we have anything like that?
Yeah, definitely. FSL have the FSL mobile app. From technicians can use that mobile app, and that mobile app even they can use where the network is not working properly in the offline mode as well. So yeah, just if we talk about the FSL and the alternative, the second the functionality is the AI and Agentforce. The AI is like nothing without the data. You can say, okay, so we need the data. So with that help, technicians can see the history of that instrument, the warranty, when and before the breakdown happens for that instrument. So technician automatically we can schedule a service appointment, and we can just send a note to the friendly note. Here is the Agentforce. We can use that one. it is a human touch. Okay, so we can use the friendly messages to send the customer that hey, this service appointment is scheduled before the breakdown happens, and the data we use. So technician, with the help of the data, he can bring the correct parts, instruments with him on the site and can perform his work. And yeah, so here is the, like you can say, very helpful thing for the technicians, and easily can we can complete all this task.
Okay. And you told that we have a field service app that works on an offline mode as well. So can I say that the field service app and the Salesforce app that we find on App Store or Google Play Store is different?
Yes, correct. Yeah, both are the different apps.
So both the apps are different.
Yes.
Okay. And there must be a specific license we need to buy to enable the field service app, right?
Definitely.
Or it's a customized app?
You already know the Salesforce provide the sales and service clouds by default. Okay. So the FSL Field Service Lightning is an extended feature for the Service Cloud, and we need to install that managed package into our Salesforce app. And this is how we got the extra functionalities. We need to purchase the few licenses like the for the service resource and technicians. We have to purchase the service resource licenses. If they are using the mobile, yeah, definitely those licenses as well, and the dispatcher. Yeah, this kind of licenses we have to purchase.
So I would like to put here a statement that when we say AI is working with FSL, we can definitely and proudly say that AI will not eliminate any work of field service agent, but it will help field service agents improve improve their work process and make it like more productive.
Yeah, yes, correct, right? Definitely. It just, we can say AI is to complete the easier task, and so the service technician and the agents can focus on the actual problem. So yeah,
Right.
so no need to focus on the easier task. So AI is good there to do that.
Awesome. So now Nilesh, it's time for our our segment. So that is named as the quick bites, where we will be doing a rapid fire round with you, and we'll ask you some fast questions, and you'll need to be very fast. So we'll go for a quick coffee break, and we'll be right back for our new segment. Okay?
Sure.
Yeah. All right, Nilesh. So time for some quick bites, and that will be a rapid fire round. So I'll start quickly. So very first question is AI or human insights?
Human insights.
Then one tech habit you would ban forever?
Excel sheet, obviously.
Good one. Which is your favorite innovation from last decade?
Agentforce.
Agentforce. Great. And I think this will be your favorite question: coffee or chai for coding marathon?
Obviously, coffee. My favorite.
I know you are drinking it right now. Okay, so like when you wake up in the morning, like give me some 3 emojis like that relates to your expression or in the morning.
Sleepy. So laziness, you can say, and yeah, obviously this one. Yeah.
Happy feeling. Great. Which is your favorite tech gadget? iPhone. Then you can't live without it. Okay. And so there are so many tech trends going on. So what do you think? Which is the most overhyped tech trend?
Overhyped tech trend.
AI.
Yeah, definitely. AI Agentforce currently, you can say, in many industries we are using that thing.
I think Agentforce is not overhyped, but definitely the AI, the word AI is like booming.
Yes.
Everywhere AI, people are thinking and bringing new innovations to put AI anywhere, like anywhere in their life.
Just not in the Salesforce CRM, other CRMs also.
Exactly. So out of this, now as I mentioned that people are putting AI anywhere, and they have like overhyped that particular trend of AI. And out of this, there's one last question that I would like to ask: that which is one thing that you would like to automate in your daily life?
I can say the recently, I can say idea process. Yeah. The income tax
I will
return.
agree
Yeah.
with you.
Yeah.
I'm very bad at that, but
Same here.
I would love to have that automated, so I don't
Yeah.
need to learn that. Okay. So thank you so much, Nilesh. Some of the answers were very amazing. It was very quick because that's why our segment name is Quick Bites. It's very
Yeah.
quick. Okay. So moving forward, to the next part. We have talked about one story about your FSL experience in the market. I want you to, talk about one more story that matters for our audience, who can maybe have like a quick understanding about the use case and how FSL and AI can work together.
Okay, so I got one scenario. Like recently, I worked with one of the manufacturing company, and what they do exactly, they install the instruments like the lathe machines and other machines are there we use in manufacturing industry. So they install those machines, and there is a service contract, the standard object from the Salesforce. So on that basis, periodically, earlier they were doing just the repair uh, for that under the warranty period. But yeah, with the help of AI and the Agentforce, so they collect the data. Okay, so on the period basis, like for the say everyday basis, last 24 hours, how much time that machine run, uh, what is the productivity of that machine, is it hitting overheated or not. So collecting all this data, so we can predict the when the next, you can say the service needs to be done, and before it's getting breakdown and production stop. So we can send this data, and we can create a service appointment for that, schedule a service appointment for that repair work. And yeah, this is how we can just stop the breakdown of that machines and the productivity.
Awesome,
Yeah.
awesome. So this particular company is like in India or in US or in
Yeah,
Japan?
US based that.
US based company?
Yeah. But yeah, we have also a few clients from the Germany, because currently, and India as well. India is growing more in the manufacturing.
Manufacturing,
company.
yeah. No, they have now. I can say that proudly that India has now moved from Excel to digital platform.
Correct.
So I know, like this is good. So some more questions that will you agree on that? Like there are some myth questions, or there are so many questions when I go and travel. I do travel a lot. So there are so many questions that when I talk to people, I get to know, and they keep on asking that is AI replacing, like if replacing the jobs. If I go very specific to the topic that we are talking today on field service, like me, that is will AI replace the customer services or something like that?
Okay, so I can say here, AI is not replacing to any human. They are just replacing the task. Okay, and the which task they are replacing, which are the easier one. So no need to spend much time to the person, the customer care or the technicians as well. So they can focus on actual work. Okay,
Actual
so
work.
an actual problem you can say. So that's why I don't believe that thing like AI is replacing the job for the person.
Okay, okay. And we all know, right? Salesforce is like a premium platform, or so do small scale businesses can use this platform? No, yeah, definitely they can use this platform, but how they can utilize this particular feature FSL in their environment?
Yeah, definitely. We just miss the any small business can use that one. Earlier, I just mentioned we need to purchase few extended licenses from the Salesforce, and we can install that package, FSL package, and they can definitely we can configure that one as per the business scenario.
Awesome, awesome. And as you mentioned that going little bit technical, as you mentioned that we need to purchase the extended license, right?
Yes.
So after purchasing those extended license, let's say I'm purchasing 3 license for my 3 service agents. Okay, how difficult that is to integrate, or what is the setup required to when you purchase that extended license? What is that one single setup or some sort of steps required to start using the FSL? in the org?
Yeah, I guess that's where the Salesforce consulting partners
Mhm.
is the main role here.
Okay.
So like the Bogota Tech, as I am from the Bogota Tech.
Okay,
So
yeah.
we help the clients to set up all these service resources, territories, scheduling policies,
Mhm.
work orders, as per the business scenario, whatever they have the business. So yeah, definitely, it's not like a rocket science, but yeah, we need a proper requirement and the data from there. On
But
the
I can
basis.
say that you will need a company will need help of a consultant or a developer to to do all those setup, and then they can start using the feature.
Yes.
Awesome. So, Nilesh, I would like to
Mhm.
thank you for participating with us, being a part of our first episode.
Yeah.
And
Certainly.
yes, thank you so much, Nilesh. Looking forward to the next event. I think which was your last Salesforce event you attended?
Yeah, recently in the Bangalore, the TDX happened.
Oh yes,
Yeah.
TDX. I was also there. So
That was my first TDX.
my first two.
Okay.
So no, the TDX was amazing. What are the plans? I have listened that you are looking after a UK region, right?
Yes.
So how? What are your plans to visit Europe anytime soon, or planning for a visit or something like that?
Yeah, very soon. We got few clients from the UK recently,
Mhm.
so we are working on that. And yeah, maybe I hope so. In next few months, I will be there with new projects, with new clients, and again with the World Tour London event. Yeah, World Tour London.
World Tour, yes. Yeah, World Tour London was also good, right? I think you and from our few team members have traveled. Awesome. So thank you so much, Nilesh, for coming, for joining with us. So that's all for today. If you enjoyed this episode, hit like, subscribe, and share with your friends. And don't forget to use a comment section to put down your tech stories.